What is today's upgrade? That there is a Bill Stein steering dampener on this beautiful pink towel. And mine is pretty gross. So let's peek under and see what we're looking at. There it is. You can see it's all leaking, the boot's ripped. It's pretty gross, honestly. Ew. Ew. So what are you gonna need? Get yourself a ratchet or an impact if you're cool. An 18mm socket and a 15mm socket. And you may need a hammer or a fork. Well, you'll see in a minute. All right, so you'll take the 15mm socket on the boot side. We'll loosen this guy up. Well, that was easy. Ah, it's dark. Sorry about that brief moment of terror. My light died. Well, anyways, 18mm socket right here. I'm going to attempt to do this without having it fall on my face while recording. Beautiful. Now I got to remove this bolt right here. So I'm going to put a socket up there because you're not going to fit an impact. See if I can do it one-handed. Feels loose enough to hand turn. Switch hands here. And that is off. Now wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That was a washer that fell. And it's off. So now we got that left. The new one replaces all that, so we're going to get rid of it. Sorry about the compressor in the background, but this thing is stuck, so I ended up cutting it right here, and I'm going to see if I can tap it out that way. Stay tuned. So, this is not working very well. I've tried to spin it, I've tried to pry it, and I've tried to hammer it out, but that has not worked. Currently, it's in there. I've been trying to hit it with a punch, but that's not doing anything. So I'm going to try something a little crazy. I'm going to drill into this a little bit and see if I can get a better purchase point for the punch, so it won't slide around on me, and see what happens. Yep, it's resorted to this. It just does not want to budge. One of those 5-minute jobs, it takes you 2 hours. Hell yeah! After a good 3-minute soak of heat, pounded right out. Let's continue. Goodness gracious! We will put this end in first because we can push this side down once this is in to fit over there. Put the washer on and your new nut just to keep it in place. So now we're gonna pull this back. It's gonna be a little tough. Let it go right there. And it's in. Now the torque. Oh, this thing is hard to do with one hand. All right, torque to 67 foot-pounds. There you have it. Your new steering dampener. Alright, I'm taking it out for a little drive to test out this dampener, and wow, it's actually a major difference. I didn't think it would be such a difference, but it's noticeable. I had a little wobble going on, and it's gone. The steering's a lot more responsive, so I highly recommend it to anyone who's got that death wobble. Check out those Bilstein shocks, or you can do whatever other brand, but that one was relatively affordable compared to like the dual conversions, but I'm happy with it.